Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show you how to edit the email newsletter's confirmation message in your Shopify store. Customizing this message helps us create a better first impression and build a stronger connection with our subscribers. Let's walk through it together. On the Shopify dashboard, find your newsletter section. Now, we go to our store and click here. The email newsletter is this one. As you can see, this is the Subscribe Store email section, where subscribers enter their email address. To edit that message, we just need to go back to our store. We click the theme we are currently using, then click these three dots, and select Edit Default Theme Content. Once we are here, click Newsletter. From here, we can edit the label, the success text for subscribing, and the bottom label. We can update all three of these fields to match our preferences. Once we are happy with the changes, we click Save. After a few minutes, the updates will appear on the store. Now, click Save. That is how we edit the email newsletter confirmation message in our Shopify store. A personalized message helps improve engagement and makes our brand feel more professional.